Garlic is a staple ingredient in many kitchens around the world, known for its unique flavor and aroma. But did you know that garlic has also been used for centuries for its potential health benefits? In this video, we will explore the science behind garlic and its potential health benefits, as well as some of the risks and side effects associated with its consumption. Garlic contains a number of bioactive compounds, including allicin, dilyl trisulfide, and other organosulfur compounds, which are thought to be responsible for its potential health benefits. These compounds have been shown to have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties and may play a role in improving heart health, reducing the risk of certain types of cancer, and enhancing immune function. But did you know that garlic may also be beneficial for individuals with diabetes? Garlic has been found to have hypoglycemic effects, which means it may help lower blood sugar levels. Studies have found that consuming garlic may improve insulin sensitivity, which can help individuals with diabetes better manage their blood sugar levels. Garlic has also been shown to have a positive effect on cholesterol levels, which can be especially beneficial for individuals with diabetes who are at an increased risk for heart disease. While garlic is generally considered safe for most people to consume in moderate amounts, consuming too much garlic can have some potential risks and side effects. These may include digestive issues, bad breath and body odor, bleeding risk, allergic reactions, interactions with medications, and skin irritation. It is always a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional before consuming garlic or any other food or supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. If you are interested in incorporating more garlic into your diet and have diabetes, there are many ways to do so. You can add minced or crushed garlic to sauces, dressings, and marinades, or salt garlic with your favorite vegetables. You can also roast whole garlic bulbs for a milder, sweeter flavor, or blend garlic into dips and spreads for added flavor and nutrition. Garlic is a flavorful and versatile ingredient that can add both taste and potential health benefits to your meal, especially for individuals with diabetes. Whether you are looking to improve heart health, manage blood sugar levels, boost immunity, or simply add some extra flavor to your cooking, garlic may be a valuable addition to your diet. So the next time you are in the kitchen, don't be afraid to experiment with this flavorful and nutritious ingredient. As with any food or supplement, it is important to consume garlic in moderation and to listen to your body's individual needs and reactions. By incorporating garlic into a balanced diet and varied diet, individuals with diabetes may be able to enjoy its many potential health benefits while also managing their blood sugar levels.